Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4, and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So to do that, we should press the power key button on the right side of our phone for a few seconds. And if you have the same situation like in my case, if the USB is activated after that, you should open the settings application and then scroll down to advanced features. Then here tap to side key section, and here in this press and hold section just switch wake USB to power off menu. And now when we'll press power key button, we can see here the power off menu, so we can restart the device and we can turn it off. Just to turn it off, we should click here to power off icon twice. After that, just wait a second, and after the vibration the screen is dark, and this means that our device is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.